Yeah, hello. Hi friends. Our last class is we have to clear these subnet masks and what is the slash 32 slash 24 slash 25 subnet mask slash 26 and 27 like that we cleared up to 32. So I gave little bit introduction FLSM and VLSM. So today I will complete this what is the FLSM and VLSM, why we need use that FLSM and VLSM, what is use of that both. So we will I will explain that. So see here, subnetting is classified into two types, that is a fixed length subnet mask and a variable length subnet mask. So what is the difference between these both? So fixed length subnet mask, in that name only we can find that fixed means it is fixed. So if you need 50 IPs, that is 50 and one more 50 and the third 50 and fourth 50 650. So we can give 50 IP means 50 whatever your requirement, how much IPs you need, we can divide same paths means see here. See, this is here like this same paths. So we can give this equal paths only, fixed length subnet mask, this one. So and I started one organization. In that organization my requirement was uh, 50 IPs I required. So total how many 50 IPs, this is for one department. I need a total 450, means 50 50 50 like this, means I have four departments. One is a sales department, IT department, purchase department, and a quality department or production department, whatever it is. So my requirement is total 50 50, but that whatever I have departments, they all are should not communicate with each other. So it should be different. See, sales is different, IT is should be different, means separate, they are should not communicate with each other. So my requirement is 50. So now I can go class C, because total 200 IPs. So I am taking 192 168 1.0. So again one more network, 192 168 dot 2.0. So 192 168 3.0 4.0. So like that I'm taking. So I'm taking these IPs. So my this is different networks. So if I assign this IP address to host, it should not communicate, because different networks. So okay, but my requirement, what is my requirement? My requirement is 50 IPs only. Okay, my requirement is 50 IPs, so that I can use 50 IPs in the each network. How many IPs we have? Total 256 IPs. 256 IPs means minus 2. What is minus 2? That is a network ID and broadcast ID. So remaining how many we have? 254 IPs. See, 254 IPs. So my requirement is only 50 IPs. So I can use 50 IPs. So what is remaining IPs? 204. So 204 I do not use. Just I keep it side, whenever required, that time only I will use. So presently my requirement is 50. So 50 IPs is enough for me. Okay, we can use second network and third network, fourth network. That is not an issue. Okay, this is internal. Internal means internally. What is we have private IPs like that. We'll use internally only. So okay, if we talk about ISP, so we take some network 1.1.1.1 means 0, this one 2.0, 3.0. So for my organization I required one IP, so I contact to ISP. I contacted ISP. He given one IP. So for one IP he given one network, complete one network. So total how many, that one 254 IPs as per class C. So but my requirement is one IP, remaining 253 IPs waste. So it should not communicate, it should be different network, so that I can take one IP. He given one complete network, then okay, like that we will use like this. Within shortly that IP version 4 it will close. There is no free IPs if I use like this. So that is the reason they did subnetting. So they did subnetting. So as per this subnetting, we can divide how many IPs we required. Means my requirement is 50 IPs. Now I can divide with 50 IPs. So hosts is 50 IPs. See here, already I prepared formulas. Based on these formulas, we can divide with subnet. So see, this is the host calculation. See here, this is host formula. 2 to the power of h minus 2 greater than or equal to my requirement. Okay, my requirement, what is the my requirement? My requirement is 50 IPs. See, 2 to the power of h minus 2. So how we will calculate this one? See here, see, this is 2 to the power of h minus 2. What is this minus 2? This minus 2 is our network ID, broadcast ID. So we do not use that two IDs, so that's why we subscribed the two IPs, remaining our valid hosts, valid host IP addresses. Okay, see here, 2 to the power of h minus 2 greater than or equal to my requirement. See here, simply I taken class C 192.168.1.0. See, subnet is /24. So my requirement is 50 host, 2 to the power of h minus 2 greater than or equal to my requirement. See, already here mentioned that values. My requirement is 50 IPs, 2 to the power of h and minus 2. So how you know this 6 is host bits, how h value is 6? How do you know? See here, my requirement 50 IPs. We will check in 2 to the power of table, because we will calculate based on this table only. See here, 2 to the power of 0 1, 2 to the power of 1 2, 2 to the power of 2 4. So which is satisfying our 50 IP addresses? See here, 2 to the power of 6, it is satisfying the 64 IPs. So our 50 is here only, our value is here only. See here, our value satisfy here only. So we required 50 IPS. So what is the 64 value? 2 to the power of 6. So h value is 6. See here, here already given h value is 6. So 2 to the power of 6 minus 2 is equal to 50. What is the value 2 to the power of 6? 64. 64 minus 2, 60 is equal 62. Total how many hosts after subscribe minus 2? 62 IPs we got. So our requirement is 50. So 62, total wastage of IP addresses 12 IP addresses. Okay, compare with this 204 IPS, 12 is very less. So like that we have to calculate this to the power of h minus 2. This is the formula to calculate hosts. So then this one please remember, when you calculate host bits, means host valid IP addresses, that time you have to right to left. Right to left means I will show you that. See here, 1 1 1 3 6 7 8 3 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. See here, this is class C. Okay, what I told, right to left. Right to left means right, this is right, no, right to left. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this remaining 2 we convert into network bits. So what is the IP address of that 50, what is the subnet, what is the subnet of that 50 hosts? See here, 255, here also 255, here also 255. What is this value? This first one 128, this 64, so total 192. So this is the subnet mask of that 50 hosts. Okay, see, 255 255 255 192. Okay, this is the subnet mask. Okay, what is the, see here, and 192.168.1.0. so total this one 64, and again add one more 64. See here, 128, again add 164 192, and again add 256. So what is the, this one 63, this one in this network broadcast ID 127 191. See here, this 256. Okay, this one, see, in this how many network we have? 1 2 3 4 networks. Okay, see here, 64 into 4, total 256. So 64 into 4, total 256. So in the class C we have 4 networks, and our requirement also satisfied 50 IPs. So in that class C we have how many networks? 4 networks. And networks also we can calculate. See, what is the formula of network calculations? 2 to the power of n greater than or equal to my requirement. So my requirement is 5 networks. Okay, my requirement is 5 networks. So see here, 5 where it will satisfy. See here, sorry, 2 to the power of 3. See here, 2 to the power of 3, 8. So it can satisfy here 5. So it should be more than 5, more than 5 or equal 5. So 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 5. 2 to the power of t, what is the value? 8, and greater than or equal to 5. So total we have so okay. And VLSM also same formulas we have to follow VLSM also. And to find the hosts, 2 to the power of h minus 2 greater than or equal to my requirement. And in networks also same. So VLSM and FLSM, both formulas we have to use same. So here subnet is completed. So I am not give more examples for subnet. So immediately we enter into that protocols and switches and router parts. So that's why from tomorrow next class I will start direct router, switches and protocols. I will explain in the next class.